Alright, now for the final step, the head will be done next week in another video. For the final step right here, right now, the constraining to the characters now. It's fairly simple. Alright, you basically are selecting the parent, the child, and on that one we're going to do a parent one, constrain, so that we're good. And then do same thing, parent, child, and then we go parent constrain right here. I'll check it out right there to make sure it works properly. It does. By doing a parenting, that allows us to do a point in reality and a rotation later on when we, that could be pretty useful from time to time. Okay, so that one should work too. There you go, works fine. Alright, now if we select that, basically now you'll see that will come with it. Okay, so pretty useful, but not everything, so it's pretty funny yet. Okay, now right here we are gonna want to have one and the main node, and it's gonna be a constraint. It's gonna be an Orient constraint. Okay, we make sure we maintain the offset and we apply that. Okay, so now we can just select that up and rotate it. Alright, we should be pretty good with that. We might have to do another type of constraint on it. Yes, hold on. Actually, you know what? Instead of doing a name constraint, let's try to do directly another parent constraint, because it allows both orientation and point, basically. So let's look at that. So now we can have orientation still. Works perfectly. And we also have right here the point constraint all the way with us. Okay, those haven't, the rest hasn't been constrained. That's why it stays over there. Okay, properly yet. Okay, so we're good to go on that. Now that is going to be constrained, parented to that. All right, that is going to use the parent constraint right here, and we are gonna do actually yes. After that, that one right here to the shoulder, parent constraint, and for the neck, same thing, right here, and we'll do a parent constraint. Okay, now we have to do same thing right there. Oops, sorry. And the parent constraint, we check it right away, and you should go with it fine. And we do the same thing on the other side. And I got a parent constraint right there. Okay, now if we select our main node right here, everything turns purplish, meaning hey, we got everything in it. So we have a small problem right here. Actually, let me fix that up. I think I know. Let me just I think I'm gonna delete that one actually. See that? Yeah, that works. And I don't really need it in the middle like that. Alright, and I'm just gonna select that one and do a parent constraint, and that should be good for us. Now we got everything in, so we're ready to rock and roll. Alright, that works good like that. Okay, so we have it here. We have that works perfectly by itself, the main node. We have the shoes. Oops, sorry, I went a little bit too far. I have my shoes. That should work, so hold on. Oh, that's because I'm selecting the joint instead of selecting the shoe itself. Hold on. Right. Go up perfectly. That rocks. Same thing right here. Now that one right here is a rotation one, so we should be good. And influence the rest. It looks good. We could also use it if we want to, up and down for jump. Alright, see how it touches the ground after that, so we're good to go. That one seems good to go too. Yes, it is. Yeah, perfect. And then we have the neck right here, and it works good. And we have right here, and it's independent from the arms because you can use the arms by themselves like that, and you get the arms after that. That works good. Okay, so we're good to go and everything goes out. This is it. This is your 3 steps on it. Alright, so make sure you do it. Take it easy.